Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can record a screen or a video on the screen and quickly generate a GIF animated image on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Now in order for us to do this, we need to turn on the edge panels and we need to add in the Smart Select tools. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we scroll down and tap on display. Next, scroll down and tap on edge panels. In here, tap on panels. Now make sure you turn on edge panels, otherwise this one will be grayed out. So switch it on and then tap on panels. In the panels screen, swipe across until you can locate the Smart Select panel and tap on the radio box to add it to the edge panels. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Next, I'm going to open up my gallery and I'm going to play a video. Now you can record anything that you want. You can record a YouTube videos, another videos from another site, or a video from your gallery. So it doesn't matter what you want to record, just select a video. So here, so I'm going to play this video. Then I'm going to swipe out and open up my edge panels. Now scroll across until you see the Smart Select panel, and then you go down and tap on animation. Tap on that and then drag on the handle. So on the handle in the selection area, and we adjust it to cover the areas that you want to record. And in here, I'm going to play the video. So I'm going to play the video. And then I'm going to tap on play and then record. So as soon as you tap on the record, you cannot do anything else. You are allowed to record up to 15 seconds. This is the maximum time that you can use to generate your GIF animation image. After that, you can tap on the stop button. Now at this point, you can also tap on the edit button to make any changes to the image. You can tap on the edit button, and in here you can draw onto the image. So from the pen tools, I can select a type of a pen. So select a type of a pen. You can change the pen thickness and color and transparency. You can also change the color of the pen. And I'm going to close that window, and in here you can draw something onto the image. Draw the sun, for example. And after that, you can also use the eraser, or you can go back and forth, and then you can download the image, or you can just play it. So you can see I can lay another layer on top of the recording layer. And after I can save the image. So tap on the save button. This will allow you to save it, the image. And now if I go back into my gallery, you can see this is the new image that I have just created. And I have recorded the videos, and this will generate a GIF animated image along with my editing on top, or with the top layer. And that's it. So it's quite a cool feature, allow you to quickly copy or record a video and then generate a GIF image, and then on top of that you'll be able to edit and add in your own text. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.